Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Durable AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Durable AI account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in the address durable.co and hit on enter. And at the first result of Google, guys, you can see there is the Durable AI website builder. Click on that and you'll be redirected to the home page of Durable AI, and just wait for it. And now in order to log into your Durable AI account, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the sign in button available for us over here. Click on that sign in. And now you can see this is the login panel of the Durable AI. Now to sign into your account, you can see an automated login with the Google and your manual login with your email address. If you want to directly log into the Durable AI with your Google account, simply click on the login with Google and a login page to your Gmail account will open, and like this, I'll show you. And if you log into your Gmail accounts over here or use any Gmail accounts to log in, then you will be signed into your Durable account with your Gmail account. But we'll be going for manual login. To do that, guys, enter your email address over here with which you had signed up for an account on the Durable AI, and after that, enter your password, guys. But guys, if you forgotten your password, you can always set it from over here where it says forgot your password. If you click on that, a page to reset or retrieve your account's password will open. And if you literally forgot your password, just click on that and you will be able to reset your account's password by giving some of your credentials and your information. And with that being said, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on the login, and then you'll be signed into your Durable AI account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.